What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another motovlog. Whoa! Holy shit, why did I pop that clutch? Alright, D-Rack, get these ruts up here. You got it. Hell yeah. Not too bad. Get this one, you got it. I gotta stop dabbing my foot. So that was pretty good. I'll take it, man. Oh my god, dude. These jump faces are like treacherous for me. Oh my god, dude. The track is looking really good. It's got lots of moisture. It's forming all kinds of good ruts in the corners and even ruts in the jump face, which that actually terrifies me. So I just got to put my big boy pants on and commit. Get loose, commit to everything. Don't overthink it, just go. Get it, Flex. Woo! Oh, his form through that corner was sick. Standing up. Man, I gotta grow up here and just hit that. Taking it fast on the outside. Oh my god. He's going on that 450. I'm just getting so sketchy in it. I feel like I'm getting so sketchy on every single jump. I gotta figure these ruts out, man. There we go. Oh. Hit that one corner okay? I guess what's hard for me right now is like if I let go of the throttle, I feel like if I let go of the throttle in this bike in the deep sand, it just stops. Like the bike feels like it comes to a complete stop if I let off full throttle. Let's go, buddy. Follow your line. At 450, just absolutely leaves me in the dust coming out of that corner. Whoa! There's ruts going up the face. They messed me up so much. It really sucks that I'm not confident enough to try that jump because I got to slow down my flow on the track so much because I don't hit that. Try to strut, I don't know what the heck I did.